Right now, 24 billion kilometers from Earth, a human-made object is crossing through a region that shouldn't exist. The latest data from Voyager 1 shows the space around it, temperature is rising, density is increasing. But according to all theories, this should be absolute void. In NASA's control room, everyone is staring at the same set of numbers. No one is speaking. Because if this data is true, everything we know about the cosmic boundary is wrong. Voyager 1 has been flying for 47 years, 17 kilometers per second, never slowing, never stopping. It crossed the solar system, crossed the heliopause. In 2012, it entered interstellar space, becoming the first human creation to leave the solar system. But what NASA didn't tell you is that interstellar space it entered isn't as empty as we imagined. According to textbooks, interstellar space should be vacuum, density near zero, temperature near absolute zero, a dead silent void. But the data Voyager 1 transmitted shows there's something there. A lot of something. Starting in 2020, Voyager 1's plasma wave detector picked up a continuous low-frequency hum. Frequency, 3 kHz, never stopping. Scientists initially thought it was instrument malfunction, but after 3 years of data verification, it wasn't a malfunction. That was real sound waves, or more accurately, plasma vibrations converted into frequencies we can hear. Interstellar space is making sound. And this sound sounds like continuous screeching, like metal being slowly torn apart, like some kind of massive machinery running in the depths of the cosmos. The intensity of this hum is 40 times any sound within the solar system. What does this mean? It means the plasma density in interstellar space is 40 times higher than we predicted. Not 40%, 40 times. In other words, we thought it was almost vacuum, but actually it's filled with matter. About 0.1 atoms per cubic centimeter. Sounds like very little? But this is 4,000% of our predicted value. And the farther Voyager 1 flies, this density keeps increasing. 2023 data shows density has reached 0.13 atoms per cubic centimeter, still increasing. Imagine you are Voyager 1, rushing through absolute darkness at 17 kilometers per second. No sun, no starlight, only occasional cosmic rays flashing and leaving burn marks on your metal hull. Your nuclear battery has only a bit of energy left, temperature, minus 200 degrees Celsius. Your antenna points toward Earth, but Earth behind you is already too small to see. The signal you send takes 22 hours to reach Earth, Earth's reply takes another 22 hours to reach you. Your conversation with humanity, each round takes 44 hours. And during this long wait, you're crossing through a fog filled with unknown matter. Scientists originally thought interstellar space was the gap between stars, but they were wrong. Voyager 1's data proves interstellar space isn't vacuum, it's an ocean of plasma. What's it made of? Mainly hydrogen atoms, scattered by stellar winds, left by supernova explosions, ionized by cosmic rays. They float there, gathering, forming a state of matter we've never seen before. Temperature, 15,000 Kelvin, equivalent to 3 times the sun's surface temperature. But density is extremely low, so you don't feel the heat, you just get slowly torn apart at the atomic level. Voyager 1 receives about 50 billion cosmic ray impacts per day, 500,000 per second. Each impact leaves a nanometer-scale crater on its circuit boards. Accumulated over 47 years, its interior is riddled with holes, like being continuously shot through by countless microbullets for half a century. But it's still working, still sending data, still flying forward. NASA engineers say, based on damage calculations, Voyager 1 should have failed 20 years ago, but it's still alive, living 30 years beyond its design life. Like a death row prisoner refusing to stop breathing. Starting in 2022, an even stranger phenomenon appeared. Voyager 1 detected, the surrounding temperature is rising. Not a sudden increase, but slow, steady, irreversible climbing. From 15,000 Kelvin to 16,000 Kelvin, now 17,000 Kelvin, still rising. According to theory, the farther from the sun temperature should decrease, but Voyager 1's data shows farther equals hotter. Why? Scientists have two guesses. First guess, Voyager 1 is approaching some high-energy region, possibly a supernova remnant, possibly a pulsar radiation belt, possibly some kind of cosmic-level heat source we don't know about. The second guess is more terrifying. The entire interstellar space is heating up. In November 2023, Voyager 1's magnetometer detected an anomaly. Magnetic field strength ahead is surging, jumping suddenly from 0.4 nanotesla to 0.6 nanotesla, a 50% increase. What does this mean? It means there's some kind of massive magnetic structure ahead. Scientists named it the interstellar magnetic wall. What is this wall? No one knows. Theoretical speculation, it might be the boundary of the galaxy's magnetic field, might be the terminus of the solar system's magnetic field, might be the collision zone of two magnetic fields, forming a cosmic scale barrier. And Voyager 1 is rushing toward this wall at high speed. Predicted impact time, between 2025 and 2030. Think about this picture. In 1977, humanity built a spacecraft, loaded it with a golden record. The record contains greetings in 55 human languages, 90 minutes of music, 115 photographs of Earth, and coordinates telling aliens where Earth is. Then we sent it into space at 17 kilometers per second, never to return. 47 years later, this spacecraft became humanity's orphan. It's so far from home that light takes a day and a half to catch up to it. There are no other human artifacts around it, only itself. Its nuclear battery can last another 10 years, then all instruments will shut down one by one. After the last signal is sent, it will be silent forever. But it won't stop, it will keep flying. Crossing that magnetic wall, crossing the galactic edge, crossing all boundaries we can imagine. In 40,000 years, it will pass another star. But will Earth still exist then? Will humanity still exist? Will anyone remember we once sent out such a messenger? Right now, as you read these words, Voyager 1 has flown another 612 kilometers, away from Earth, away from the Sun, away from all humanity. The golden record it carries is engraved with your species' voices, your civilization's traces, proof you existed. And it's sending this evidence into a cosmic abyss we completely don't understand. Might hit something, might be discovered by something, or might drift forever in the void. Becoming the loneliest object in the cosmos, carrying an extinct civilization's last words. Voyager 1's current distance, 24 billion kilometers. To cover this distance at light speed takes 22.5 hours. With humanity's fastest spacecraft, Parker Solar Probe, 192 kilometers per second, 3,638 years. With a Boeing 747, 900 kilometers per hour, 3.04 million years. Walking, 5 kilometers per hour, 550 million years, 8 times longer than from dinosaur extinction to now. And Voyager 1 took 47 years. Its speed is 12,240 times human average walking speed. But on cosmic scales, slow as a snail. Milky Way diameter, 100,000 light-years. Voyager 1's current position, 0.002 light-years. It hasn't even left 1,000th of the galaxy. At current speed, it needs to fly 17 billion years to cross the galaxy. And the universe's age is only 13.8 billion years. It needs more time than the universe is old. In 2023, NASA encountered a problem. Voyager 1's computer started sending gibberish, not once or twice, continuously, like an elderly person starting to ramble. Engineers spent 11 months remotely fixing this problem. How did they fix it? Reboot.